Guardians of the Digital Realm: The Importance of Ethical Hacking Tools, written by Georgia Weidman. In an increasingly digital world, safeguarding information is paramount. Cybersecurity threats constantly evolve, requiring sophisticated tools to combat them. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in this landscape. They leverage specialized tools to probe systems, identify vulnerabilities, and fortify defenses before malicious actors can exploit them. Two names reign supreme in the ethical hacking arsenal: Kali Linux and Metasploit. These powerful platforms provide a comprehensive suite of utilities for penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Understanding their capabilities and how they complement each other is vital for any aspiring ethical hacker. Kali Linux stands as a go-to operating system for penetration testers and ethical hackers worldwide. It is renowned for its robust capabilities and user-friendly interface, making it an essential tool in the cybersecurity arsenal. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux is a Debian-based distribution specifically designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It has become a cornerstone for professionals who need a reliable and efficient platform for their security tasks. Its open-source nature allows for continuous community development and customization, making it a versatile and powerful tool. This collaborative environment ensures that Kali Linux remains up-to-date with the latest security features and tools. One of Kali Linux's greatest strengths lies in its extensive toolset. It provides users with a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to various aspects of cybersecurity. It comes pre-installed with a vast array of security auditing and penetration testing applications, eliminating the need for individual downloads and configurations. This feature saves time and ensures that users have immediate access to the tools they need. From network scanners like Nmap, which are essential for identifying vulnerabilities in a network, to web application analysis tools like Burp Suite, which help in identifying and mitigating web-based threats, Kali Linux offers everything needed to conduct comprehensive security assessments. Its all-in-one platform ensures that cybersecurity professionals are well equipped to handle any challenge that comes their way. Ethical hackers gravitate towards Kali Linux for several compelling reasons. Its comprehensive toolset saves valuable time and effort, providing a wide array of pre-installed tools that cover various aspects of cybersecurity. This allows professionals to focus on identifying vulnerabilities and securing systems rather than spending time configuring software from scratch. The platform's customizability is another significant advantage, offering users the flexibility to modify the system to their liking. Users can tailor Kali Linux to their specific needs, adding or removing tools and customizing the environment to suit their workflow and preferences. This level of customization ensures that each professional can create an optimal setup for their specific tasks. Furthermore, Kali Linux's portability makes it an ideal choice for on-the-go security professionals who need to work in various environments. It can be run from a USB drive or live boot, providing the flexibility to use it on different machines without installation. This enables ethical hackers to assess systems without altering the target machine's configuration, ensuring a non-intrusive approach. This flexibility and adaptability make Kali Linux an indispensable asset for any security professional, enhancing their ability to protect and secure digital environments effectively. Metasploit: Automating the Hunt for Vulnerabilities. Metasploit is a powerful open-source framework widely recognized for its role in penetration testing and exploit development. It has become an essential tool for cybersecurity professionals around the world. At its core, Metasploit provides a platform for ethical hackers to discover and exploit security vulnerabilities in systems and applications. This allows organizations to identify and fix weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. It achieves this through its extensive database of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules. These resources are constantly updated to keep up with the latest threats. Exploits, in essence, are pieces of code designed to take advantage of specific vulnerabilities. They are the tools that allow hackers to breach systems and gain unauthorized access. Payloads, on the other hand, are the actions executed after a successful exploit. These actions can vary widely depending on the goals of the hacker. These can range from establishing a remote shell to exfiltrating sensitive data. The potential impact of these actions underscores the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. Auxiliary modules provide additional functionality, such as network scanners and fuzzing tools. These tools help in identifying vulnerabilities and testing the security of systems in a comprehensive manner. Metasploit's significance in ethical hacking. Metasploit simplifies the process of exploiting vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers can leverage pre-built exploits and payloads, saving time and effort. This allows them to focus on analyzing the results and recommending appropriate remediation steps. The framework's automation capabilities further enhance its efficiency. Metasploit can automate tasks such as scanning for vulnerable systems, exploiting identified weaknesses, and even establishing persistence on compromised machines. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for human error. Moreover, Metasploit's active community continually contributes to its development, ensuring that the framework remains up to date with the latest exploits and techniques.